is what is activated. Now, fortunately, that's a very primitive part of the brain, develops very early. Even lizards have it, you know? So the limbic system only has 3 settings. It can't think like the cortex or put perspective to the cortex. And I'm sure you've heard of these: fight, flight, or freeze. So when a child, or an adult for that matter, becomes emotionally activated or overwhelmed, this area of the brain is activated. Then the brain pulls of its resources, which is mainly just glucose and oxygen, pulls away from the outer cortex, and it puts it here where the brain believes it needs it. So for adults, we almost lose quite a bit of our IQ points when we're upset or emotional. It makes sense though, because when we are emotional, we tend to do things that we would regard as more impulsive. Yeah? So it is very important to bring your child, when they are emotionally overwhelmed, from this space to a calmer space where we can actually then talk about behavior, talk about things that need to change or that we want to address. It makes no sense to talk to a child when they're in this space, because they cannot incorporate anything that you say when they're here. So what did we say about the brain? It's important that we bring children back, the ones that are emotionally out of balance, back to a place where we can connect before we correct. And we'll talk about how to connect with your child when they're emotionally out of balance, to bring the emotional temperature of that brain down so that we can access the frontal lobe. We'll make it practical. See you next time.